At Mariner, we've developed a medium grit diamond wheel used to polish and make minor adjustments to zirconia and ceramic. Watch and be amazed. This video was produced to show the power of the diamond polishing wheel. It does away with the abrasion in a matter of seconds. Notice the band around the central. We're able to take it out with this wheel while creating indentation. This image demonstrates that the wheel will take out the high spot on this contact area without any hesitation. We've gone so far as to round the marginal ridge with the wheel. This wheel is capable of taking out any abrasion on the occlusal surface and any surface around the crown while contouring the margin area.